second vlog now, looking at powers of the Senedd. So the first vlog took you through the history of the Senedd, so if you haven't had a chance to watch that, then you can find our Votes of 16 resources online via the Hub website. So if you're a parent or you're a youth worker or a teacher, you can find them on there as well. So these are a set of 4 vlogs looking at the history of the Senedd, powers of the Senedd, members of the Senedd and voting in Senedd elections as well. These vlogs will include discussion topics, animated videos and tasks under each vlog too. As you now know, if you've watched our first video, the National Assembly for Wales has changed its name to Welsh Parliament, commonly known as the Senedd. Our powers have developed over the last 20 years and we'll be exploring this in the vlog. At the end of the last vlog, I give you some discussion topics to go away and think about before watching this video. So let's have a little recap on those. What issues are most important to you as young people? What issues affect your day-to-day lives? And what would you change in Wales to improve the lives of the young people living here? What I'd like you to do, okay, if you haven't already, is just leave your comments below and let's start a conversation. We're now going to show you an animated video of powers of the Senedd, and this will explain a little bit more about how things that affect your day-to-day life are made here in Wales.
The Welsh Government is responsible for making decisions on many of the issues that affect our day-to-day lives. The UK Parliament makes laws on certain issues that affect the whole of the UK. These are called reserved subjects, including nuclear energy, foreign affairs and defence. In Wales, we can make laws on issues that aren't reserved to the UK Parliament. The Welsh Government proposes ideas for laws and makes decisions on how to spend around £17 billion a year on issues like education, healthcare, the environment, culture and language, and transport. The job of the other members of the Senedd is to consider, debate and vote on the laws proposed and money spent by the Welsh Government, and make suggestions on steps that should be taken to make Wales a better place to live and work. Since 1999, some significant laws have been passed that have helped make Wales a leading country for recycling, given the Welsh language official status, and made significant changes to the organ donation system.
As you have just heard in the video, the Senedd can make laws on many matters that affect your day-to-day life. On the screen now, you will see a series of subjects. Please pause the screen and try to decide which matters you believe are reserved to Westminster and which the Senedd can make laws on. So decide which matters you believe are reserved to Westminster and which the Senedd can make laws on. I hope you enjoyed taking part in that. What I'd like to do now is go through the answers with you. So if you've got your pens or pencils ready. So, the powers that belong to the Senedd are the environment, housing, mental health services, healthcare, water, fire and rescue services, sport and leisure, food, ancient monuments, tourism, education, agriculture and the Welsh language. So a big well done if you've got most of them right. Let's move on to reserved matters then that belong to Westminster. These are media, the internet, outer space, benefits, nuclear energy, import and export control, post, immigration, lottery, negotiating Brexit, crime and policing, hunting and drugs. So again, a big well done if you've got most of those right. Give yourselves a round of applause. Just leaving you with something to think about by the time you watch the next vlog, which will be on members of the Senedd. what skills, experience and characteristics do you think would make a good politician? Just want to say a big thank you for watching our second vlog, which was on the powers of the Senedd. If this is the first time you've tuned in, like I've said, don't worry. We do have a series of vlogs which are available on Hub. So just to say a big thank you and see you in the next vlog.